Understanding your credit information is probably one of the most important things you can do in gaining a good financial understanding. I mean, as we live in this Western Hemisphere, we live in an economy where our credit scores are very important. So the least we can do is at least try to understand how they're computed and how they're calculated. Now I'm going to break down some formulas for you in how much percentages of each variable is given towards a credit score. It's going to give you a little glimpse so you can get understand because I don't want to confuse you too much. And frankly speaking, you shouldn't get yourself wrapped into too much of this. All you should concentrate on is increasing your credit score to the best of your ability. Now, the amount of credit which you have availed in past account, that compiles to about 30% towards your credit score. Not only is the total amount looked upon, but also the amount borrowed from different accounts is also considered. The balances on certain accounts may also affect the credit score. Maintaining a small balance, for example, will have a positive effect on a credit report and may help your credit score go up. Now, the length of your credit history accounts for about 15% of your credit score. Your oldest account and the average age of your other accounts are taken into consideration when computing your credit score. Also being considered is the length of time that has passed since you have used certain accounts. So if you have certain accounts which you haven't touched for several years, they might not even be considered at all. The number of new credits availed account for, they go about 10% of your credit score. This includes the length of time that has passed since you have opened a new account. Also considered for this is the number of credit requests you have made within the last year. Credit report inquiries from lenders are also taken into account when computing for your credit score. So for example, you might have a delinquent account. So what the lender will do is that they'll reach into your credit report and actually steal some points from you. Basically, punishing you for that. So you have to watch out for those. Now, the types of credit you have, they avail to about 10% again towards your credit score information. And that goes into your calculation of your credit report agencies as well. Revolving credit in terms of credit card debts, as well as installment credit in terms of personal loans and mortgages, are taken into account as well when calculating your credit score. And you can imagine this would have a big reflection on your credit score. And a lot of people are struggling at these points because they carry large amounts of debts and large amounts of personal installment credit, installment amounts that really weigh them down every month to month, year to year. Now, the formula used are proprietary tools used by different credit reporting agencies in calculating for your credit score. But more or less, this is how the information in the credit report is used to come up with a viable credit score to assess your credit risk. Again, this doesn't even add up to 100%. There's many other factors, and those factors are really given and computed on a person-to-person basis with specific computer formulas. And like I said, you shouldn't get caught up in too much of these. Your goal should be to increase your credit report no matter what. You should be monitoring your credit report. You should increase your score all the time. Now, having worked in the financial industry for over 3 years, I came across 5 powerful methods that can increase credit ratings up to 100 points within 1 week. That's right, folks. 5 methods I've discovered which can improve your credit score rating by 100 points within 1 week, and I'm giving it away for free in a form of an ebook. I've made the ebook available at www.creditratingcure.com. Head over there right now and claim your free copy. These 5 methods will improve your credit rating by 100 points within 1 week. So once again, it's creditratingcure.com. Head over there right now and claim your free copy.